Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will see how to install the Slider Revolution plugin, import a template and add that to a web page. Revolution Slider is one of the most famous plugins used for adding sliders in WordPress themes. This is a premium plugin, so you need to pay before downloading the plugin. First, you have to go to their official website, sliderrevolution.com, and download the Slider plugin. You can select the package according to your needs and budget. After the download is completed, you can log into the WordPress dashboard. In the sidebar, you can see the plugins. Click on Add New and upload the plugin. You can select the file that we downloaded just now and click on Install. It will be installed and might take some time to complete the upload. Until it gets uploaded, let's talk about some more details of this plugin. As this is a paid plugin, this plugin will be included with most of the paid themes. The license of the plugin will be given with the license of the themes. Most of time, that plugin can only be used on one website. After the installation is completed, you can click on Activate button to activate the plugin. Then you can see a new menu has been added in the sidebar as the Slider Revolution. By clicking on the menu, you can go to the Slider Revolution home page. Here we can add a new slider as a blank, or add the slider with the default template, or manually import a slider. In this video, we are focusing on importing a template manually. By clicking on Manual Import, you can either choose the file from your computer or drag and drop the relevant file. When a slider comes pre-packaged with a theme, the theme has a few templates as zip files in Themes folder. But if your theme didn't come with the slider templates or you need to add new template, you can always buy and download template packages like Slider, which we have downloaded today. You can see the previews of the template that we got with the slider template packages in the references folder. Here you can choose a suitable template according to your website and drag and drop its relevant zip file from the WordPress folder. After completing the slider template import, you can see there's a drop-down arrow on the template. When you click on this arrow, you will see bunch of actions available on the drop-down menu. By clicking on the preview button, you can look at the preview of the template. If you feel that it is not matching there, you can try another template by importing as we did earlier. After importing the template, we can add the slider to our page or post. To do that, click on the drop-down arrow and select Embed. We can see many options with their shortcodes here. The first one is to add the slider to a page or post on your website. The second option is to add the slider in a small size as a widget on the sidebar or footer. The third option is to embed the slider with the theme. By using the fourth shortcode, we can add the slider only on the home page. In the last option, we can add the slider to a specific page template. We are adding a slider to a page or post in this video. So we can copy the first shortcode by clicking on copy icon. Then log into your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New Page under the Pages tab. Here we are using a default editor. If you are using a page builder like Elementor or WP Bakery, You will get a revolution slider widget to add the revolution slider. Paste the shortcode that we copied in the space, and it will be identified as a shortcode by the editor. Then we can change the page to no sidebar in the page layout to view the full slider. Then you can publish the page. Next, click on the view page, and now you can see the slider has been successfully added to the page. This is how we can add a slider and import a template to your WordPress.